how to print a shipping label on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another Mercari tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can print a shipping label on Mercari. To do that, first step is to go to the Mercari website and then log in. And then once you're logged in, navigate to your order history by moving to the top right side. You'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you select order history. And so after selecting order history, you'll be taken to the page where you see all of your orders. And the next step is for you to select the order whose shipping label you would like to print. So by the time you select the order, you would see a list of options like request refund, can't fulfill. You see all of that. Ensure you look for and select the option print shipping label. When you click on that, this will generate a PDF of the shipping label. Then you can now open the PDF and print it using your printer. So it's that simple. So just find your way to your order history page, locate the order that whose shipping label you'd like to print. After selecting the order, select the print shipping label button, and then be able to download the shipping label into your computer. Once you have it downloaded, you can now go ahead to print it out. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.